This is a trick where it's only what you want. Yes?
Okay.
I don't care. Look, for example, I can cut or not, I don't care. I take some card, red and black. You like? But now this is black, this is red yet. But now you tell me, for example, if I ask you, what color is this card?
There's a black and red.
No, it's two blacks. Because this is only what you want.
Oh, okay.
It's no, I don't care if it's the real or not. It's what you want. For example, this card, oh, this is very easy. What is that?
That is two reds and a black. This one.
This is red and this is two blacks?
Two blacks, yeah.
Wow, this is difficult. This is all black or red or what is that?
Let's go all red.
All red and this is
That's three black.
Very black. This is very, very good. It's funny because it's only what you want.
Black and red.
Black and red, but what is black? This is red, I think, or is it black?
Let's switch them.
This is?
Yeah, that's red. King is red.
And this is black. Okay, I don't care. Look.
Red. Yeah.
Wow, unbelievable. This is the situation. You can see here is a black, red, black, red, black, red, black, red, black, red, okay? This is your situation, but any situation is possible. Maybe if I do that, you know this is another situation. This is always is black and red, but another situation. Do you know what is the color of this card?
It's red.
Yeah, and from the back, it's red too. But we don't know what is the order of this card. This is true. We don't know how many red or how many black is here. We don't know. Do you know what is the color of this card?
That's black.
For the other side, is red. But we don't know it in the face. I don't know how many cards is red, how many cards is black. We can change that, okay? We only need to wait 1 minute. Or maybe less. Damn. I only need to snap my finger. Can you see red and black? Can you see red and black? Look, red and black. Look, red and black. I don't change nothing. I only snap my fingers, and now you don't believe me, but here is all black cards, and here is all red cards. Congratulations, my friend. Congratulations, my friend. Ta-da!